It's raining. So today we are not wearing our shoes. हमने सोचा कि शूज गीले हो जाएंगे. शूज आकाश शूज गीले हो जाएंगे. So we thought of wearing our Crocs. Yeah, it's raining heavily.
Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. And today this was a last minute plan. हम लोग जा रहे हैं हमारे फ्रेंड के घर और हम लोग जाएंगे bowling के लिए. So we're going to have some fun today. It's weekend guys. Weekend nobody stays at home, so we are planning to go out right now. So let's go. We have taken an umbrella also.
Today the metro is not there.
Today, yeah. There's no metro, no trains.
The weather is quite unpredictable and you have to keep an eye on the weather forecast. So we are going from a different route today.
Let's
Waiting for the lift.
it came. Oh. So we thought of coming here and buying something for them. खाली हाथ जाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
I want to buy these ones. Uggs. They're quite popular in Australia, but I don't like the way it looks.
It is so crowded today everywhere.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, did you see? Look at the size of the watermelon. Big section.
So let's see what options we have. Yeah. I don't know what they like. I don't know how it will taste, but they look tempting. Cheesecake के लिए दिखाई दे रहा है. We'll buy cheesecake. There's so many options. So confusing. Everything looks nice. What do you like, Navneet? Okay, फटाफट we'll buy.
We made our choice and we purchased something. I hope they like it.
Look, your favorite Akash, Tim Tam.
Look how crowded it is. Look how crowded it is. Oh my god. This is the first time we're traveling by bus. So a little confused how to go.
Finally, we found our bus stop. I'll keep my card ready. You have to tap as soon as you enter the bus. That's not our bus, right?
So guys, traveling by bus is super difficult. This is what our experience is. I don't know about you guys. If you guys had a very good experience in Sydney, how to travel by bus, comment down below.
Difficult. We have never traveled by bus.
We have never traveled, so yeah. No, train is more convenient I feel. And abhi kya hua? We got a lift from a very nice, sweet old couple. They were so sweet. They gave us lift.
Oh, okay. No worries.
Very nice people in Australia as well. And they dropped us to this station now. We are supposed to go by bus again now. And Akash forgot our one and only umbrella that we had in the car. Seriously? How do we go? It's raining. So did you see how friendly people are over here in Australia? So sweet of this old couple that, you know, they gave us lift. We didn't even know each other. It was really, really nice of them. They saw us struggling, like we were like moving around here and there, and they were like observing us, and finally they thought we should give them lift.
So she's running.
Going to a friend's place. So what happened was I was referring to the Transport NSW website for the route. पर वहाँ पे बहुत ही confusion था. So I opened up Google Maps and I'm using the Google Maps right now. The best way is if you are traveling by bus, use the Google Maps.
Finally, we have reached our destination.
2 hours.
After 2 hours, wherein train से हमें सिर्फ 15-20 minutes it takes to
But we
reach
didn't
over here. What?
We didn't know the buses, so that's why we took 2 hours. Otherwise, we would have reached in maybe 40 minutes, 40-45 minutes.
It is 9:30 because we didn't book. Okay. Oh, it's white. Go. Oh. Some explanation going on. Some serious people talking. Bowling was seriously fun. Now we are heading to Indian restaurant for some dinner. Like people
It
are
was so busy. They were like, if you want to sit inside. Oh no, don't be fun.
speak ya. तुरंत चुप हो गई. Okay, fine. I'm not taking you. You speak.
Okay. It was so busy that they were like, if you want to sit inside,
Okay.
you will have to decide the menu when you're standing outside. Yeah. It was so busy.
What is the name of the restaurant, by the way? Chatkas. So we are going right now to Chatkas, which is a very popular restaurant in Sydney.
But it looks like a casual dining, but it's a fine dining.
Fine line. Okay. Chalo. We are in Bella Vista. This is the most expensive area in Sydney.
Mostly after those CBD ones. People will say no, Mossman is very expensive. Then Stratfield is very expensive. Vaucluse.
Okay, one of the expensive wala
In
areas
Hills District.
in Hills District is Bella Vista.
Yeah.
To be more specific.
Dashera special. Papda, jalebi, sandwich. Oh, I'm so tempted. What you guys are eating?
See, this is the whole menu. Veg Manchurian, M16, 1, paneer chili dry. Change.
Pav Bhaji,
Put there also
veg
cheese dabeli.
Manchurian,
Cheese dabeli.
cheese dabeli.
Ready to attack Indian food, Indian street food, having kachi dabeli. इंडिया का फील आ रहा है बड़ा. पूरी
Chili dosa.
चिनी डोसा.
Like chili the poo.
This is nice.
This is papdi chaat. Yeah. Are we finished, right?
Full. She just had one thing. She's full.
So we are going to take some Shrikhand क्योंकि कल है दशहरा हमारा फेस्टिवल on Bollywood theme here. So how did you like the food?
You tell how you like the
I
food.
loved it. It's a चटपटा food.
चटपटा food. कुछ नहीं खाया तूने.
Okay, so we are making tea, puri and chole. Today's lunch at the meat place.
The Dashera special lunch is ready.
You know? It looks tempting. Yeah, it looks yummy. Super cold today.
Yeah.
Since yesterday it's
No, it's
raining.
going to rain for a week.
तैयारी हो रही है.
Yeah, Christmas preparations going on. Because
half Christmas tree.
yeah, over there.
So finally हम लोग घर पहुंच चुके हैं. Today is Dashera and we are going to celebrate Dashera at my aunt's place. She is going to come to pick us up. That is so sweet of her because I'm wearing all this Indian outfit. बहुत अलग लग रहा है. After so many days I'm wearing. So happy Dashera. May you be blessed and may you have a wonderful year ahead. I'm ready. Akash is ready. All set to go.
Yes.
Feeling
all set for
feeling like we are in India, right? Sarvana happy Dasara. Dasaracha hardik shubhecha. How am I looking, Akash, today?
Good.
Not good.
Beautiful.